What is a current transformer? A current transformer (CT) is a type of electrical transformer that is used to measure the current in an alternating current (AC) circuit. It works by stepping down the high current flowing through a primary conductor to a lower current level that can be safely measured by an ammeter or other measuring instrument. The CT consists of a primary winding, which is connected in series with the circuit carrying the current to be measured, and a secondary winding that is connected to a measuring instrument. The ratio of the primary to the secondary winding determines the amount of current that can be measured. CTs are commonly used in power distribution systems to measure the current flowing through transmission and distribution lines, and also in electrical equipment such as generators, motors, and transformers. They are essential for monitoring and protecting power systems, as well as for providing information for system control and maintenance. Hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video at sana'y may natutunan po kayo sa panonood. Maraming salamat po at God bless.